The skeletal system. The skeleton is a bony frame that supports our body. It is made up of 206 bones, flexible cartilage, and tough ligaments. The skeleton protects all the important organs of our body and helps us to move by providing support to our muscles. The central core of the skeleton is formed by the skull, backbone, and ribs. The long bones of the arms join the main frame at the shoulder, and the leg bones join it at the hips. The smallest bone, about 5 mm long, is the stirrup bone. It is found deep inside the ear. Skull. The skull is the bony structure of the head and face. The cranium surrounds the brain with the temporal, frontal, parietal, and occipital bones. The maxilla or upper jaw and the mandible or lower jaw support the facial features of nose, mouth, and eyes. Bones. Most adults have 206 bones in their body, though a few people have an extra pair of ribs, giving them 208 bones. Your hands and feet have 110 bones between them, more than half of all the bones in your body. Babies are born with over 300 bones, but many of these fuse together as they grow. Bones are made of proteins and minerals, which it gets from the food you eat. There are two types of bones. The outer, hard layer of bone is called compact bone, which is made of tiny tubes called ossitans. Inside the compact bone is a softer bone. Osteons, okay. Spongy bone contains bone marrow, which makes blood cells and stores fat. The smallest bone in your body is the stirrup bone or stapes inside your ear, which is only 2.5 mm long. The largest bone is the femur or thigh bone, which makes up 1/4 of your height. The femur is also the heaviest and strongest bone in your body. Bones can move because they have joints. Joints that have a lot of movement, such as your knee joint, are called synovial joints. The ends of the bones are covered with cartilage, which is smooth, and the joint secretes a fluid called synovial fluid, which together allows the bone to move without rubbing together. Muscles contract or get shorter and move the bones by pulling on them. Most people have 12 pairs of ribs. Your ribs are long curved bones that are attached to your spine at the back. In the front, some ribs are attached to your breastbone by cartilage. The top 7 pairs are called true ribs because they are attached to your breastbone. The next 3 pairs are connected to the lowest true rib by cartilage and are called false ribs. The last 2 parts of the ribs are called floating ribs because they do not reach round the front of your chest. Bone is 5 times stronger than a steel bar of the same weight. If you think that bones are lifeless, then you're wrong. 1/4 of a bone is water and is packed with blood vessels and nerves. It has the ability to repair itself if it gets broken. Bone tissue contains two main ingredients: mineral salts to provide the bones with strength and protein called collagen to give them flexibility. A broken bone is called a fracture. A fracture may be open. If it is thought you may have a broken bone, an X-ray which shows a picture of the bones under the skin will be taken. The bone may then need pins to hold it together or a plaster cast to keep it in place until the break has mended. Ligaments. They are tough, fibrous tissue that join the bones together and provide them with stability. Cartilage. Cartilage pads the ends of the bones, allowing them to slide past each other without getting damaged. Joints. The place where two bones meet is called a joint. Without joints, the skeleton would be rigid. Joints help us to move in different ways. The largest joint in the body is the knee joint. The cartilage here acts as a shock absorber during exercise or running. The largest bone in the human body is the thigh bone, femur, which is about 50 centimeters long in a man. Do you know that humans and giraffes have the same number of bones in their necks?